I'm Nicole Wilbur with My State MLS, and we're here with Don Pfaff, the president and founder of My State MLS. Don, what is an open listing?
An open listing is a listing without a contract, and it could be for sale or it could be for rent. Now, open listings, not just a listing without a contract or an advertisement. An open listing's a trick that New York City agents use.
Okay.
And they've used it for years. It's a trick to get them started in business. Instead of buying leads and going out and trying to list houses for sale, they list opens because opens are easy to get.
Okay.
Because there's no obligation to the seller or the person who owns it or the property manager to pay you. You're basically going, hey, I want to advertise this property for sale. So I'm going to go to the property manager. I'm going to say to the property manager, can I advertise your property for sale? And they're going to say, sure, why not? They don't have to pay you. Now, try to get paid, obviously, but if you can't get paid from the tenants. And if you can't get paid from the tenants, do it for the leads, but make sure that you get the person in the home. Now, why you want to do it with an open listing, mostly with rentals, is because there's more people who need to live somewhere than there are places to live. And that's starting to become true all over the country. It was always true in New York City, which is why all the New York City agents always did this. But now it's everywhere. I'm down here in Jupiter, Florida, and there's nowhere to live. I put one rental listing into My State MLS, and I got over 125 leads in 3 days for one 2-bedroom apartment. And I obviously had to pick one person, but I had 124 other people to find housing for.
So those are free leads.
Right, and well, you might say, well, I don't want to do rentals because there's no money in them. Well, first of all, that's wrong.
Okay.
There's lots of money in rentals. Imagine if you could make $1,500 a rental and do 3 a week while you're building your business for sales.
You make
You're
some
doing
money.
$4,500 a week. If you can put 3 people in a rental a week and make $1,500 a rental.
Now that I know what an open listing is, where do I put it?
Yeah, you can't advertise open listings in most multiple listing services because they're not listings, they're advertisements.
Okay.
But My State MLS does allow them as a separate advertisement, not as part of our general listings, but you put them in My State MLS. You elect to do the open listings, and then you take that open listing and you share it. You use the share this feature right in My State. You share it to Facebook, you share it to Twitter, you can share it to LinkedIn. Make sure you put it in Facebook Marketplace. And then My State will send it to all the sites that will take it. So there are third-party sites that will take it.
Very
And that's where you're going to get the leads from.
Well, there's your open listings.